Public health is all around us. When you woke up this morning, you opened the tap to brush your teeth. The water was clean, and that's because of public health. Or during your lunch, if you stop at a restaurant, public health does inspection at the restaurants to prevent people from getting infection or diseases from the food they're eating. And so public health does save our lives every single day.
I think public health is one of the few professions or careers that has both an indirect and direct impact on every single person that lives in a community.
My name is Mike Chrisman. I'm a registered environmental health specialist. Well, I was fortunate enough that actually environmental health chose me. I was introduced to a gentleman that was an environmental health specialist. He asked if I would like to job shadow. Very first day I went out with him, I'm like, this is the path I want.
I'm Gina Egan, and I am a health inspector for Marion County. I decided to go into public health because I wanted to use my love of science and also a long history in food service and marry those two together and use that to help prevent foodborne illness.
Everything about the job I love. Every day is different. You can be a food regulatory person, you can work in wastewater, you can work in air quality, you can work on epidemiology, public drinking water. There's so many fields you can go into.
If it's a gorgeous day, you want to work outside, you can go inspect pools, all day. If it's raining, you want to go inspect your harder restaurants because you're going to be in there for a while. You register as a trainee. The people who are already working there will take you along and train you.
You have to have a degree. It has to be specifically in some sciences.
And then when the time comes and you have enough hours in, then you take your test, and then you can move on to being a registered environmental health specialist.
I get to work within the community I serve. I get to be an educator when I'm out doing those inspections. And when you see their body language and their smile, that you know they've got it. And you've kind of got them forever as an educator, that they're going to always listen to you and respect you, and they're going to come to you and have that discussion because they know they can trust you, come up with a solution, a workable solution.
I think the work I do as a health inspector is meaningful because we can contribute to maybe stopping an outbreak or just helping a restaurant thrive.
I get to know them on a personal basis. I try to build a rapport, trust with the operators.
It is a really fabulous opportunity to help the community and to do work that makes you feel productive. It's a fun and a fulfilling career.
Public health makes a huge difference in the community. It's all around us. It is the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat. There's so many ways that public health is helping our community. It's actually hard to talk about in a soundbite.
There's a place for everyone.
There's a place for everyone.
Everyone.
There's a place for everyone in public health.